You already are. What up? What up? Alright. Today we got the homie Pira. I got permission. I hit up Shorty. They told me I can listen to the music. No copyright. I don't want that crazy BS. Anyway, your homie Deyuri, he on that real YouTube timing. I want the subscribers. I want the bell. I want the likes. You know what I'm saying? Rewatch the videos. All that bullshit. Anyway, let's show love to the Instagrammer here. Right here. I can't speak. Pira X Music. This is the video we watching, so we can't watch that. No. It's the homie. It's the homie. Mad music shit. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. You see this hat right here though? This motherfucking hat right here. I go to the outlets. I go to the mall, right? I walk in. I see this hat. I walk around. I gotta do more family shit. More family shopping. I come back. This shit gone. Away, Aladdin. I swear to God. Genie type shit. They were like, it's a limited edition. Well, fuck that. I'm broke. When I had the money, I came back. You know what I'm saying? I had to do some family shopping. That comes first, obviously. But like, damn. That shit late, bro. This hat, bro. I fuck with this hat, bro. Nah, what is this?
I'm living like Larry. Said move the pack, but you was slow. I can't fuck with no Gary. I'm making this paper alone, so just know I ain't sharing. Bless you, one of my niggas, and I feel like you family.
Okay. Little brick baby, huh? Okay, Pira. Okay, Pira. You smart though. I ain't seen no blicks, nothing like that on here. Good shit. Good shit. Be a child of God. No guns, no guns. Yes, good shits. Alright, let's check out the homie. The video they sent me.
Chris, you idiot! Look at what you did!
Ooh, YBC.
Chris, you idiot! Look at what
YBC Pira. Buzzer beater. Alright, let's get started.
I'm standing tall, hope I beat the buzzer. My dogs is quick to call when niggas need each other. We used to have a great time when we see each other. Shit started falling out of line, we had to leave each other. Bro asked if I need a drink, should I need another? You say you love me, but like to see me suffer. If you really trust me.
You can't get me. You ain't spinning that shit, Pira. You ain't spinning that shit. Nigga, don't play me, bro. Don't play me with your brick baby though. I fuck with this video. I fuck with how you by yourself. You don't need a mob. You know what I'm saying? You got the fit. You got the fucking ball spin. You know what I'm saying? You got the everything in the back. This video hard. The cameraman did his shit. I fuck with the fit for sure. For sure. Alright, let's go.
We see each other. Shit started falling out of line. We had to leave each other. Bro asked if I need a drink. Should I need another? You say you love me, but like to see me suffer. If you really trust me, show me your colors. Cause if shit get ugly, I need me a brother. Blood doesn't make you family. Now it's FBL. Not where I plan to be, but soon I'm gonna be ringing bells. Life used to be a living hell, but now I'm living well. I pray that on this road I remain well. I got stories to tell, stories to tell. Grew up listening to Kendrick and Cole. I know I'm gonna do a feature with both. I told bro he gotta stop with that cold. I know the pain could.
Tell me I'm wrong. What's that nigga name? Come on. That Canadian dude, Coi Leray boyfriend. I don't fuck with Coi, but her boyfriend makes some good ass music. I ain't gonna lie. He looks like him. Right? Tell me I'm wrong.
Hard to control, but fuck that white, I got some green we can smoke. They asked me what God to me, I said the God in me. I can't maneuver like no loser, gotta move properly.
Yeah.
If you wanna be in my future, I need honesty. I'm breaking out what I'm used to, so no dishonesty. I'm standing tall, hope I beat the buzzer. My dogs is quick to call when niggas need each other.
Yeah.
We used.
Hold on. Bro.
I hope I beat
This
the
nigga,
buzzer.
bro.
My dogs is quick to call when niggas need each other.
This nigga twist game, bro. My hair, I ain't got that hair. I don't know what you call that. Type C. I don't know what the fuck that shit's called. I don't know much about hair. But that shit hard. I can't do my shit like that. Look at that shit fuck tight, bro. I know he sat there for a grip, though. Don't cap.
We used to have a great time when we see each other. Shit started falling out of line. We had to leave each other. Bro asked if I need a drink. Should I need another? You say you love me, but like to see me suffer. If you really trust me, show me your colors. Cause if shit get ugly, I need me a brother.
Nigga missing somebody, bro. Niggas missing somebody, yo. Real brick baby, though. No cap. I feel like it'd only be the skinny niggas that pull off the fucking Palm Angels. As big niggas, we... Fuck, I need to get me like a Coogee jacket, you hear me? And some Versace glasses, some Biggie shit, you hear me? Anyway. Yeah. So, pop out to the homie shit, bro. Show some love. Good shit. I'm gonna go back and let the song play just one more time. Just let it without talking. I fuck with that shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all just, you know what I'm saying?
We had to leave each other. Bro asked if I need a drink, should I need another? You say you love me, but like to see me suffer. If you really trust me, show me your colors. Cause if shit get ugly, I need me a brother. Blood doesn't make you family, now it's FBL. Not where I plan to be, but soon I'm gonna be ringing bells. Life used to be a living hell, but now I'm living well. I pray that on this road I remain well. I got stories to tell, stories to tell. Grew up listening to Kendrick and Cole. I know I'm gonna do a feature with both. I told bro he gotta stop with that cold. I know the pain could be hard to control, but fuck that white, I got some green we could smoke. They asked me what God to me, I said the God in me. I can't maneuver like no loser, gotta move properly. If you wanna be in my future, I need honesty. I'm breaking out what I'm used to, so no dishonesty. I'm staying tall, hope I beat the buzzer. My dogs is quick to call when niggas need each other. We used to have a great time when we see each other. Shit started falling out of line, we had to leave each other. Bro asked if I need a drink, should I need another?
Cameraman did his shit though, real talk, cause this nigga was just sitting on the ground. That shit look hard, you know what I'm saying? Like, good shit, fire.
You say you love me, but like to see me suffer. If you really trust me, show me your colors. Cause if shit get ugly, I need me a brother.
Bet. Show the homie some love. Anyway, Dior, we out, nigga.